Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to buy Ronin tokens on MEXC Global. Ronin is an EVM blockchain crafted for developers building games with player-owned economies. Ronin optimizes for near-instant transactions and negligible fees that enable millions of in-game transactions to occur seamlessly, making it the leading choice for Web3 games. Based on CoinGecko, Ronin tokens can be traded on Katana, MEXC, BitGet, and so on. Now let me show you how to buy Ronin tokens on MEXC Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, check the video description for the sign-up link to register and get up to 1,000 USDT beginner's reward to claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your MEXC app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy Ronin tokens, go to the Markets tab. Here you search for Ronin USDT pairs. For this video, we will use spot trading to purchase Ronin tokens, so you choose Ronin USDT. Tap on the Buy button here. Make sure you are on the spot and Buy tab. Keep it under limit order to set the buy price you want, though you can use market order to buy Ronin tokens immediately using the best current market price. This red section shows the sell orders and the green area shows the buy orders. The middle part is the token current market price. Input the buy price. And here is the amount of tokens you want to get. Input here the total USDT you want to use. Once all is set, you tap Buy Ronin. Your buy order will usually show under Open Orders. To cancel your buy order, tap Cancel here. To check your trade history, you tap this icon. Here you see order history and trade history. That's how you buy Ronin tokens on MEXC app. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.